FANA has been quite active, and it is active for the good reasons. FANA president and others have come only for something which was important, valid, and worthy of it. But COVID gave us great opportunity to what is called take PPP to new heights from other states. Therefore, it required a lot of thinking and a lot of consultation. In this consultation business, we came in contact with the private doctors very comprehensively. All our endeavors during the course of last 8 to 9 months have been with the private doctors. As rightly said, anyway, about 80% of the health activities are tackled by the doctors who are not in government. Therefore, we cannot tackle this issue, and more so issue like COVID. We cannot tackle anything, but much more it is applicable for COVID without the help of the entire fraternity, entire medical fraternity, whether it is a doctor, whether it is nurses, government, private, all of everybody. And that many states picked up many things from us. That is a matter of great satisfaction for all of us. So FANA, as the main association of the private health institutions, has been of immense help to us. It provided us a platform to interact with the private hospitals, and that was of great help to us. And we have interacted very regularly. And I must thank all of you, all the hospitals, the association, all the doctors, for working so cordially with the government. I must pay tribute to you. I must acknowledge your services today and thank to you for that. Some irritants happen here and there. Those are minor in nature, because when government functions and when you work, the entire machinery works. Somebody down the line, some insignificant event from very junior functionary might create some problem. But broadly, we can say that I am sure you are very happy with the government. Government is also very happy with you. We only look forward to continue similar association with each other in the days to come. Now, Dr. Ravindra has, Honorable Minister is in Hyderabad. He would have come otherwise definitely. So I happened to meet him day before yesterday. He was telling that some of the things which are happening in Karnataka is a news there. It is a sort of, they don't believe. So this is a tribute to some of the things that has happened here. So I thank all of you for inviting me, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.